All right, we are live. Something. Um, yeah. So we are live, and one thing I wanted to try, I wanted to see how my um how my webcam looked on this, because it doesn't really look that good. Got this mic right in my face. It doesn't look bad though. Like if I just move that down a little bit, it's actually not bad. Maybe I'll do that, because I'm kind of like always looking, not like at the camera. I'm always like looking down, so I kind of wanted to switch that out. Let me move the mic down. Just want to make sure you can still hear me. Looks like you can still hear me. But, so I'll actually get rid of you. I'll move you down here. I guess technically, I could just move my webcam down. Maybe I'll do that. Instead of adding the webcam. Instead of adding the laptop webcam, I'll just move this guy down. I guess the disadvantage of that is like if I move, like if I want to close my laptop and stuff, then I have to like move this webcam. So maybe I won't do that. Yeah, I feel like the eyesight camera looked better there. Let's see. Yeah, I feel like it looks better on these new Macs. You know what I can do? I can do almost like a perspective shot here. Let's see how this looks. I don't mind that. Kind of gets a better view of like the rest of the office kind of thing. Because like I have like a dog kennel here. I mean, I don't have any dogs. It just came with the house when we bought the house. There's a workbench here. Table here. Got shelves here. So I kind of like that shot. It's not bad. All right. I know this is not related to anything quant related, but all right. So today, what I kind of want to do, I say that a lot. What I definitely want to do is I want to build out at least some tests to see what are some optimal numbers for the cumulative moving average. Basically, there's a couple numbers I can switch. There's the smoothing average line, which is basically, rather than me taking in the raw market data, I'm smoothing it just a little bit so that my algorithm doesn't buy and sell like all the time, especially if it's in like a, relatively flat zone. Um, and then so there's that. There's the smoothing averaging, and that can either be like 10 points, 20 points, 50 points, maybe 100 points. I don't want to get it too smooth. But then the second one is obviously the cumulative moving average, whether it's 100 points, 200 points, 500 points, 1,000 points. And the combination of those, there's probably like maybe 20 different combinations of, actually probably if it was like 5 of each, then it'd be 25 different combinations. Actually, would it? No, it'd be 5 factorial. So it'd be 5 times 4 is 20 times 3, which is 60, times 2, which is 120. So it should be 120 different things. And it sounds like somebody's coming out. Not sure. Oh. Hey. I'm live. Oh.
Amber's gonna bring her kids over for a while. I was gonna watch them for.
What time?
I don't know yet.
Oh, so she's like leaving?
Yeah, because we're working in the basement and they didn't really want the kids.
Nice. Sounds cool. I have the camera kind of to the side, so you're on camera right now.
Oh boy. It's the shower.
The thing is cool. It's gonna take him a while.
No,
There's a lot in there, man.
9 and up.
Oof.
We'll see.
All right. So yeah. So I kind of just want something that can run through all of that and then give me some results as to, at least where there's some convergence on an optimal strategy, and the other thing is too, there's different coins, right? So like I can try this strategy out on like a couple months of different coins and see how different strategies perform in different coins. And so like that's not really necessarily an indicator of like how it's going to perform in the future, but at the same time, I'm assuming I'll find there's some range of numbers that kind of just work better than others, and I'll probably try to figure out multiple strategies within those within that range, and then that's probably what I'll end up doing. So I'm not like quite scrapping all of this backtesting code, but I do want to kind of systematize it. What is that? Oh, I'm like slightly transparent. You see that? You can like see the code like right there. I was messing around with some of the blue or like the green screen stuff. Yes. There we go. Now I'm not transparent anymore. I was like wondering, like, why is there like writing on my chest? All right. Let's see here. Get you up a little higher. Lay down. So, I kind of want to be center frame a little bit. There we go. All right. Let's get into the code. So, what am I going to do? I might put on some music. I don't know if you guys want music or not. But actually, what I do is, I'll show you on here. I use this website called Brain FM. And I like it. It's pretty nice for focus music. And it's less like music. Well, I mean, it's music, but it, ooh, it kind of just like fills the background, but it's like supposed to be designed to get you focused and like get you in the zone. So cool. All right. So like I said, I'm probably not getting rid of all this code, but I do want to kind of almost like start from scratch-ish and have like a back testing infrastructure where I can do somewhat of a Monte Carlo step through. Yeah. So let me write some stuff down here because I kind of have some ideas for how I want to increment and stuff like that. And then I think I want to like export the data to, man, Notion's being slow. Probably it's just because I'm live streaming, I guess. There's what was I just saying? Yeah, so getting data. I want to, so basically I need like my different variables. There's the smoothing average ticks. Then there's the trading, I guess we'll just call it the CMA. Average ticks. And then different queens. Smoothing average. Is that really my only variables? I guess it really is. Okay, and so for smoothing average ticks, I'll probably start at 10 and increment by 10 to 100. So that'll be 10 different strategies. And then for the CMA average, I'll probably start at 100 and I'll increment by 100 to 2000 or something like that. Like this, I think this one here is, what is this one? Yeah, this one here I have like on the screen is 1000 for the and this has my exponential one, which didn't really work out too good. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Anyways, this has my 1000 average line for the cumulative moving average, and then it has a 50 strategy for so that's actually right in the middle of like what would be my testing. And then the different coins, I don't know if I want to test. Should I test like 3 months of data? I'll do 6 months. I don't know. Maybe I'll do 3 months. Test 3 months, because I don't want this test to take forever. Test 3 months from, so that'll be from, I guess it'll be November, December. So October, November, December, October 2020 to January 1, 2021. Okay, so that shouldn't take forever. Like, let's see how long that takes for my computer to do that. If I go here, I'll do one. So this will be 2020. October would be 10, but then it's 9 because it's 0 based. So it's 9, 9-1 to 01, 2021. Okay, that should be 3 months. Let me see if that, how long that takes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So about 15 seconds. It's still super wild, like this cumulative moving average. I mean, like literally if I would have done this in real life, and this doesn't account for any trading fees or anything like that, so it's not a perfect strategy. But I mean, I turned $1,000 into $6,000, and if I were to buy and hold, like I bought at 4 and it dropped to 2.5. So like just by like buying low and selling high, that's gonna work good for you. So I think one strategy I want to work on, one thing that my code doesn't really kind of optimize for is like if it misses a data point, like you can see right here, there's clearly 2 buys in a row, which is kind of strange. Like, how would you be able to buy twice in a row? It must have dropped below the line at some point, and you should have sold. So that's the thing. I don't want to add too many variables to my algorithm, because then it does get pretty complicated as to like what, so I don't want to like add some buffer that says like, you need to wait until the stock, the price is like plus or minus 2% or something like that. I don't know. It's an interesting one. I'm not 100% sure, but obviously you can't really buy twice in a row because I'm trading my whole portfolio. And so like here, it's interesting. I think it's because it's so, and you know what? There might be a red one back there. I don't know. But I mean, you can see in my list here, there's, where is it? Yeah, like right here, there's 2 buys in a row. And like, that doesn't really technically make sense. But these are like so close. It must have dipped. Yeah, these are 1 minute apart. And so basically, because they're 1 minute apart and the previous data point was less than the average and the next one was greater than the average, then yeah. And it looks like there must be some rounding stuff going on here, because maybe that's my issue, because, well, I guess I'm rounding this number, so that's why it looks like. So it's actually between these 2 numbers. So like that I guess it's not a big deal. I just had, like, obviously I just can't buy it twice in a row. I wouldn't be able to anyways, because I'm betting my whole portfolio basically. So yeah. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of rewrite some of this code. I'm gonna call it like I don't know, like testing .js. And I mean, it's basically going to be the same as my backtest JS, but it's going to be so there we go. And I'll get my CMA in here, but I think I'm going to add some more parameters to that. So like, actually I'll call this Monte Carlo. Because that's what it is. It's a Monte Carlo simulation. Cumulative moving average. I don't have an average. So let the average equal that. Let's see. Is there anything that I want to do here? Wait, what? I thought I was doing the... smoothing on this. Oh, I'm doing it in index.js. I was wondering, I was like, wait, this is not the right code. So this, yeah, this, okay, never mind, sorry. I forgot I'd kind of abandoned that Monte Carlo. In the index.js, I was using that because I was trying to look at the visualizations for when I was trading and stuff like that. Okay, so let me get the CMA function here. Okay. So now I'm gonna have a dynamic smoothing, and this 50 is gonna be smoothing +1. Okay. So the prices. Okay, so that has a smoothing, and prices is determined by whatever I put in it, so it's just whatever the length of it is. Yeah. Okay. I mean, I feel like I should add a percentage in. Let's call it, let's add a percentage in. I'll call it a window or something like that. So like this is basically like, oops. This is basically like if the price isn't more than like, 1% greater, then don't bother buying or selling because it's just kind of fluctuating around. But if I do that, then I need to have some sort of like I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I think it's fine the way it is. Okay. So this is good, and then so I am returning all of my kind of data, which I don't really need, but it's fine. Okay. And then trade. So this is my trade function. In my trade, I'll only do if my portfolio is actually, I'll set that up for this one. So this backtest function. This backtest function is the thing that I need to kind of split out and automate a little bit. Yeah. I'll just copy this in. So what I want to do is so I'm going to get rid of this exponential moving average stuff because I'm not doing that. So what can I do here? So I need a backtest. Start date, end date ticker, and I'll call this averages. And this will be averages. Okay. I guess the initial investment of 1,000 isn't too terrible. So what can I do to kind of automate this a little bit? So I have the buffer. Like this is functioned out, but then I guess it's actually not that bad. So down here is where I'll want to, so instead of open, I don't really need this stuff. I think I'll just kind of take all this out because I don't really need it. This is where, oops, I'll do some data exporting. All right. Okay. Let's get back to the code here. So I kind of have like all these parameters, and I don't really think I need to console log them. Oh, I can cancel this. All right. Yeah, I don't really need to console log all this stuff, but I kind of feel like I would like to have. So I guess I don't really need. I don't know. I guess I could. I'm not sure if I want to export stuff to a CSV or just to an SQLite table. I feel if I do it to actually, if I do it the SQLite table, then I could actually just like plot stuff, which would actually be nice, because then I could just kind of bring up whatever table I want. Yeah, that's actually not a bad idea. So I'll probably make a folder for Monte Carlos, and then I'll make like subfolders for each coin, and then a sub table with each of the numbers, basically. That's not a bad idea. And then I can, like I said, I can kind of view those different tables and stuff. But I feel like it would be nice to, what I might do is put the kind of the final value of all of the data in like the title of the table, so that it'll be easy to see like, oh, this one made the most money. So that's an optimal strategy. So I think that's probably what I'll do. All right. Cool. So like for this, I guess I'll just, I guess what I could do is I could fill out a, basically an array of objects that has all this information in it that, yeah, that's what I'll do. So I'll call it, so there's an action buffer. This action buffer where do I actually use that though? I only used it for, yeah. So I think I'll use this. I'll call it CMA trades or something like that. And what I'll do is so if it's a buy and my portfolio, so CMA current dot portfolio is not equal to 0. So like I can't buy unless I have money, and I can't sell unless I have stock. That's basically what this will do. Okay, cool. And so I'm going to take this CMA trades and I'm going to pump this with the data that I want. So dot push. So it's going to be the time t. I guess let's see what I have here. So I have the type, which would be a buy and a sell. Yeah, I guess I'll do trade. And then maybe I'll make a I'll just do like a current value. So like the current value, I want to have basically if it's a buy equals the stock the current value. So I just bought. Oh, I would do it after the trade though, because I didn't do the trade yet here. Oh, I probably should do all this after the trade. Oh, that's interesting. So I actually was delaying everything by 1, which is not good. Because this is what updates the CMA current, and I was using CMA current here. So, okay. So if there's a trade, trade it. I'll do this. No. All right, I guess that's fine. That works fine. Okay, and then so now this CMA current, if it was a buy, then CMA current equals wait, no, current value, not CMA current, is the stock times the price. I think yeah. And then if it's a sell, then just equals the portfolio. Okay. And so this will want in my object current value I'll just say like value current value. Okay, so I have that. I think I'll do want to include the stock portfolio the previous the average and the current. I might as well spell that out since. All right, so the stock is going to be CMA current dot stock. portfolio is going to be CMA current portfolio. The previous is going to be CMA action previous. CMA action average. And CMA action current. Is there anything else that I would want to include in there? There's the time, the trade type, the current value, and the current value is mostly just for understanding where everything's trending. So like here, like if I were to just so if I took this out and I just did console, wow, can't type. Dot value. So this should output the value basically for all of the trades. So I wonder if this will even just like work. I just have to call backtest. So yeah, I'll just call backtest down here. I'll do 1,000 for the averages. And I need for the CMA. Oops. Yeah, I need a smoothing, so I'll just do 50 for the smoothing. And I think that's it. Let's try running it. Node Monte Carlo.js. It ran, but it didn't do anything. Let me, I guess, console log. Buffer. I'll just console log ticker.o, I guess. Wow. It's all undefined. So ticker data. I guess I'll see if it's getting ticker data then. So it got ticker data. Oh. Oh. I forgot. I changed this to be O instead of open. There we go. This will work now. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Yay. I made $0. CMA current dot portfolio. Let's just do that. And instead of console logging the value, I'll just do what the trade looks like. Okay. I may have just had my things backwards. So if it's a buy, that means that I bought stock. Oh, this is what's wrong. This is what's wrong now. Okay, let me try that again now. Where I will output this. And we will not console log the CMA current. Okay, let's see. There we go. Look at that money just going up, 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 up. Cool. Cool. All right, so now I basically just want to stuff all of that data into a table. I feel like I want to do, I'll do 6 months. So I'll do 6 here. Because I feel like that didn't take very long. And I want to really flesh out anything that could come up. That's so nuts, though, turning $1,000 into $130,000 in 6 months. That is nuts. I know that the trade fees and stuff is all going to affect this, but I'm kind of hopeful that this is going to work pretty well. Okay. So data exporting. All right. So this is all good now. So I want to go back to my data.js. And is there a store data? Yeah, here we go. Yeah. So I kind of want to switch my data writing to this new style. Ever since I found out the SQLite 3 library doesn't have async support, but the SQLite library does. So I'm actually going to get rid of this. And this is going to go up here. And then the SQL is fine. And then this is just going to be return. Oh, I guess it won't be return. Oh, wait. Okay. And then this got the data. Yeah, this stuff I don't need. Okay. That should work, I would say. Except I'm just going to have to change these ticker values to what my object is here. Okay, cool. So this create new database, so I do want to create a database. I'm assuming it's, so let me actually look at the SQLite library. New is not in there. I guess I can use the SQLite 3. Yeah, I'll just use the SQLite 3. Though I wonder if open creates the database. Uh-oh. Somebody's crying. We're back. Just realized my camera's kind of whitewashed out there. I wonder, yeah. That looks a little better. All right. Hi, Jordan. So consistent with your project. That's really cool. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. It's kind of fun. I'm working on it. I just saw this note. Thanks for watching, PA. All right. So, where was I? Oh, yes. I don't know. I wonder if this open function. I guess I'll just create a new database. It's fine. And then this is going to be the database name. So here I'll put name and data. Name. And it's going to be let. I guess I'll just run. Oh, okay. So I'll run this above this. So I'll create if it doesn't exist. Okay. And then I'll connect to it. So the name I guess I'll probably want like a path too. And then what I'll do is I'll put in path here as well. And then this is going to be path plus name plus SQLite3. Okay. And then for data, this is going to be data dot, and this is going to be this thing here. So let's just put this here for now. So it's going to be data dot time, data dot trade, data dot value, data dot stock, data dot portfolio, data dot previous, data dot average, data dot current. Okay. And I'm gonna change out these with time, trade, value, stock, portfolio, previous. Okay, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is going to be D of data, and I guess I'll just switch out all these datas for D. Cool. Looks good. This will be name. Sweet. So the path, and then store data. And then I'll say await store data, CMA trade. Yeah, CMA trades. And then the path's gonna be Monty slash, and then it's gonna be plus the whatever the symbol is, the ticker. Do I even have the symbol? I mean, I do when I get the table symbol, but that's like it. So maybe I'll just make that like a global variable. Okay, and then I'll have to make my array for that. Okay. Here I call it ticker, but whatever. That works fine. And then it's going to be plus the symbol plus another slash, and that's the path, and then it's the, all right, so I'm going to build the file name, which is going to be, I'm going to sort it by, I'm going to start with the value, so it's like the ending value. So CMA trades of CMA trades. I guess I could just do let ending value equal this. This will just clean it up a little bit. Dot length -1 dot value, and then the ending value plus then I'm going to do some of my parameters. So it's going to be averages and I guess I'll have to put in the smoothing here. So smoothing, and then this will be smoothing. And then when I call back test, I'm gonna have to put smoothing in there. So I'll do smoothing plus averages and then I'll do guess I can do this symbol, but the symbol's in the folder, so I don't think it really matters that much. So the ending value, the smoothing averages. Is that really all that's all I'm changing, right? Yeah. Okay. I guess I'll throw the symbol in there just so that if I were to like copy it somewhere else, then I will know symbol. Okay. Let's see if this even works. Let's just try running it. Path is not defined. Path. Where's that? 179. Create new database. Path. And do I not have this console logging anything? I guess I'll just yeah. I'll do that just to make sure I'm actually like doing something. Okay, so it is doing that. So this one's actually on Bitcoin. Cannot open database file. I have to add in the path stuff here. So the path plus. Let's try that. Did it actually create the database though? No, it didn't create it. I guess we'll see. We'll see what happens. Oops. Can't open. I guess I'll path name, something like that. Let's do that since it's not working. And I guess I can I don't have to wait for 6 months of data. I can just do it pretty quickly here. Can't open. So let's see. Oh, there's a space here. Oh, and I want it to fixed. Okay. To fixed 2. And why is there a space after the ending value? Oh, I mean, that's just because I'm the way of console logging it, I think. Let me try a dot in the path. Unless I just have to like make that folder. stick them all at the root. Let me just try this. What does this look like? Okay, so that looks fine. Oh, that's why. There we go. What? Well, now I'll get rid of the dot here. See if that works. Can't open. Oh, wow. I just like had that in there too. That's not good. Okay, so something's up with this open. Path plus name plus SQLite 3. I mean, it definitely hasn't created anything. I don't see any wow. I guess I'll just make it. And it's going to be path plus name. No, it's just going to be path. Let's try that. Oh. So apparently, so I'm going to get rid of this because, well, maybe I do want that. I'll just do this. Now SQLite can't open. So let me try taking out the dot and put the... I don't see the folders though. Where would it even have made them? Hey, it made my folder. Cool. Did it make the file? It did make the file. Cool. Okay. So maybe I do want the dot in there then for everything. So I'll just put it here. Let's see here. What? Path is not defined. Oh gosh. Where is that? Path. Yeah. Here we go. Currently not implemented. Use get database instance serialize instead. Oh. I guess I'll just do database.run. don't know. I guess I'll just try it. Values. Oh, and then it's a comma. Okay. And then I'll just do all the values here. So it's going to be all of these. And I'll get all these commas. And I'll do plus. Okay. Let's see. Let's do that. Syntax error. Near 2020. Oh, I forgot I have to wait. Oh, I didn't change the database. The create new database. Time, numeric, trade, numeric, value, numeric, stock, numeric, portfolio, numeric, previous, numeric, average, numeric, and oops. And current numeric. Okay. Oops. All right, let me delete this and delete. Okay. No such column date. Ah. Unique is time. Whatever. Oh, there's like a space in here. And I have it as a number. That's why. Data types. I'm assuming I could just do like a string or something. Though, you know what? Let's just do this. It's get time, right? Yeah, get time. Okay. So instead, I'll do that. It's a numeric. So it's not a string anymore. This buy trade. That should be a string, I guess. Hopefully string is one of the things. And then the rest of these are numbers, so that should be fine. Oh, wait. Looks like values. Oh, you know what? Oh, I think I just, hey, hold on. I think I had it fine. I just need some parentheses, it looks like. Oh, you know what? I'll just get rid of this. And then backtick that. That should work. Let's see. Oh, I need a plus here. There we go. Let's see if that works. Okay. Syntax error. Oh, whoops. Okay. No such column by. Oh, what? Do I need like strings around it? Like, trade. I guess I'll do this. I'll go quote, and then I'll do a quote here. That's interesting. Let's see if that works. Hey, look at that. It did it. It did it. It did it. All right, and then let's see if we can open database. Cool. Cool. Look at that. It did it. And the value goes up. Looks great. The title, the final value. How many pages is this? 116. There we go. Sweet. Oh, this is great. Okay, perfect. Okay, now. Now. Let me go back to data.js. Get my array of symbols. Okay. So I got my symbols, and now I'll just do a. So this is going to be why is that? Oh, it's just not a word. Smooth. Okay. Symbol of symbols. Let do I want while loops? I don't think I want while loops. So I'll do function Monty. And it'll be I guess I'll just do that. And then for wait symbol of symbols. And then I'll do await backtest. Start date, end date, sim. So start date, end date, symbol. Except it's gonna be sim, and then it's gonna be AVGS. And a smooth. Okay. And then we'll do AVGS plus equals AI. Smooth plus equals SI. Oh, actually, you know what? I'll just do like nested for loops. Okay. So it's going to be a nested for loop of 3 for loops. So it's going to be for const. I guess I'll do await too. A equals AVGS less than and I'll do the same thing for S smooth S less than smooth 10, then S plus equals SI, and then that Wow, this is crazy. All right, let's see if it works. Oops. No such table tickers. Oh, great. Where's tickers here? What one was this? So ETH USD doesn't have a tickers table? What? Yes, it does. Am I like not closing it or something? Why is it creating tickers in there? I should not be creating tickers there. Trades. Trades. Okay. No such table trades. BTC USD. Let me just delete these. Delete all of this. Start from scratch. Okay. So now it's not creating. Close. 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 Open. Trades. And it's empty. Maybe I'll do a wait. No. Hold on, let me do something here. instead of this, I'll do this. And let's see if I just like don't close it. I don't even know if that'll work. Why was this working before and now it's not? Oh, wait, this should be S. Not that that's going to matter. So it must not be like... But it is. It's creating it. Like the Bitcoin one works fine. Let me see. I open this. It has the trades. It's got them in there. Sweet. Then it makes ETH. Open this. It has trades. You know, it must just not be... Okay, so let me see. If I do an async here. I do await or something like that. I don't know. Okay. So it seems like that's part of the issue, is this creating of the new database is not async. I don't think that's going to work, but let's see. It's still just going a little too fast for it here. Let me just look in this like npm SQLite new table. Oh, I guess it is just a DB run. It's just the new. I wonder if I can open it, if it's gonna. Litecoin. Okay, yeah, because Litecoin. Right. Has nothing in it. Yeah, because I didn't create the. But. If I just do this here, after connecting to the database. Does that work? Cannot read property value of undefined. $170 async Monte 233. 170. Does this uni one even have anything in it? No, it's got nothing in it, so I'll delete that. Delete, move to trash. I'll just get rid of it in my thing here. Okay. DOT doesn't have anything in it. I did kind of guess on some of those. MDoge has nothing in it. XMR has nothing in it. And that should be it. Okay. So let's see if it goes through the nested for loop. Type error assignment to constant variable. 229. Oh. Yeah, I am incrementing that. Okay. I guess I should, here, hold on. Let me console log the symbol, the smooth, the average. I'll just do the A and the S there. Okay. 10, 100. 20, 100. Okay, cool. This is gonna work. Okay. Now I will change my start date and end date. So we'll do 6 months. And let it ride. And I'm gonna end the stream here. So basically, I'm just letting these Monte Carlo analyses run. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Here, hold on. Let me cancel this because all of these have not good values now. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna run this and we're just gonna let it run. I'm gonna go help out the fam. This should take might take a couple hours, honestly. I don't actually know. But yeah, run through all those different scenarios and we'll see how things turn out. Cool. All right. Catch you guys in the next one.